Hi everyone, welcome to the March workshop. And what we're going to talk about in the March workshop is overwatering, the effects of overwatering and underwatering. And to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look down into the root zone here and really look at two things that don't get a great deal of attention, and that is the soil and the roots down here. I just want to point out what happens down here. Why is it an issue when you overwater? And really, what happens when you have too much water in the soil here is it pushes out the air. So you end up with plenty of water, but not nearly enough air. And these roots down here really need that air in order to function properly. So it's a balancing act. I just pulled out this agloe here, and I'm quite pleased. Little soil moisture down there, which is good. But there's also plenty of air down in this root ball here, and that means it'll be a healthy plant and live for a pretty long time. A lot of the plants we use, agloes and dracaenas, sansevieria, ZZs, they really do prefer having plenty of air down in that root zone. So we'll take a look at that. We'll also take a look at underwatering as well. It's a really important topic. So, and when we get this right, when we get our watering right, it does lead to much longer lasting plants. So, hope you have a really good workshop in March, and we'll see you in April. Thank you.